Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making turkey pepper jack roll-ups. Alright guys, I'm starting out here on a baking sheet with parchment paper on, and I have some crescent rolls. I'm going to take some deli ham and I'm going to fold it about like that. We'll do like this here, guys, on the wide part of the crescent roll. Now to that, I'm going to add some sliced jalapeno. If you don't like hot stuff, can't handle it, don't worry about it, don't put it in. More for the kids. I'm going to take a little bit of shredded pepper jack cheese and put it in there. And I'm going to go ahead and roll this guy up. And then you want to put it the open side up and the cheese side down. Now I'm going to go ahead and roll all my crescent rolls up, and when I get them done, ready to put them in the oven, I'll bring it back. Alright guys, now that I have these all rolled up, and I did half of them with cheddar cheese and no jalapeno because my niece Chantel doesn't like pepper jack cheese or jalapeno. I'm going to put these in a 375-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes till everything's heated through, the cheese is melted, and they're golden brown. Alright guys, these are done. They took 15 minutes. They're all nice golden brown, everything's heated through and melted. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I garnish it with a little bit of chives, a little bit of color. See how nice and cheesy that is? Nice and golden brown. It's really good, guys. You get the buttery flavor of the crescent roll, get the heat from jalapeno, the creamy cheese. Turkey's nice and warm. Almost tastes like a stromboli. That's really good, and it was really easy. Alright, there you have it, guys. Turkey pepper jack roll-ups. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.